Psalm 121 verse 1 says, I lift up my eyes to the mountains. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. He will not let your foot slip. He who watches over you will not slumber. Indeed, he who watches over Israel will neither slumber nor sleep. The Lord watches over you. The Lord is your shade at your right hand. The sun will not harm you by the day, nor the moon by the night. The Lord will keep you from all harm. He will watch over your life. The Lord will watch over your going and coming back, both now and evermore. Amen. I lift up my eyes to the mountains. For where does my help come from? Oh, my help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. Yeah, He will not let your foot slip. He who watches over you will not let you slumber. Indeed, He who watches over Israel neither sleep nor slumber. The Lord will watch over you. Ooh. The Lord is a shade at your right hand and at your left hand. The sun will not harm you by the day, oh, nor the moon by the night. Oh. The Lord will keep you from all harm. He will watch over your life. The Lord will watch over your coming and going, both now and evermore. He will watch over your coming and going, both now and evermore. Hey, my life is hidden in Him. My life is hidden in Him. My life is hidden in God. Oh. My trust and my belief is hidden in God. Oh, I know He will keep me. I know He will keep me. The sun will not harm me by the day, neither will the moon walk against my favor. For I have the King of Kings as a Father, as a Father. I have the Lord of Lords as a King. Oh, I have the King of Kings as a Father, as a Father. I have the Lord of Lords as a King.